Hi guys. May pupuntahan kami ni Mister. Dadalhin namin ulit yung bike sa repair shop. Kasi nga, nung inayos nila, mas lumala tuloy. Yung gears, hindi na gumagana. Hindi na siya pwede ma-change ng any numbers ng gears. Kaya, dadalhin namin siya sa ibang repair shop. So, babike ako ngayon. Tapos, after that, may pupuntahan kami ulit. So, ayan. Yung gamit ko nga pala ngayon is yung yung DJI Action 6.
Maybe?
Oh. Yeah, that's it.
It will be okay to drive with this?
24 minutes pa naman yung pag-drive ko. Medyo malayo-layo. So, let's go, baby. It's already 30.
Yes.
So, that's what is here.
My love, I give you one piece. That's yours, please.
So, guys, kakarating ko lang dito sa repair shop. Ayun si husband. Kinakausap niya na yung lalaki para sabihin ko ano nga ba yung problema ng e-bike namin. May nagtatanong pala sa inyo, magkano daw yung bili namin ng e-bike. Ano guys, overall, nabayaran namin kasama, hindi kami bumili ng insurance. Yung nabayaran namin is, more than 1,000 euro. So, yun yung price ng, ng e-bike. Maganda siya kasi nga 2 seats. Kasi meron ding ibang style ng e-bike, pang 1 person lang talaga. So, bawal yung angkas. So, ayun, mag-change ako ng jacket. Kasi ito yung ginamit ko. Kasi kung yung white yung gagamitin ko, madudumihan. Kahit na yung shoes ko, tingnan nyo. Madumi. Madumihan. Ang layo ng pinag-drivean ko. Hindi ako familiar sa mga hindi ako familiar sa lugar. Tapos, minsan, nalilito ako yung yung mga sign. Hindi ko alam kung magdadrive na ba ako, or mag-stop muna, or apadaanin muna sila, or what. Kaya, kapag nasa highway na ako, tapos kailangan kong tumawid, nag-stop talaga ako, tapos tinutulak ko na lang yung bike. So, ayan, mag-change lang ko ng jacket. Ay, hindi mo na ako magsuot ng jacket kasi nga, pupuntahan kami. Mag-drive pa naman kami. So guys, ayan, aalis na kami. Gamit ko pa din yung action camera. Pero kanina ginamit yung phone ko. So let's go. So tayo ng seatbelt.
And they bring back.
When?
They will bring to the house.
They will bring to the house?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
So I don't need to drive so far.
No. I ask.
And today guys, pupunta kami ng Media Mart. So guys, nandito na kami. So, bumalik lang kami doon sa bumalik lang kami dito sa kung saan kami bumili ng aking styling brush. Kasi nga magtitingin kami ng laptop.
So they didn't have DJ Osmo. After 1 week, we already get ours.
Yeah.
Now we at least you have camera. The laptop. Maybe you have at least laptop. Which one's available or no? Or it's only displayed and also later.
Exactly. Why didn't they displaying if they don't have no?
Exactly.
Let's see today if they have it already.
Yes, exactly. That's what I'm pointing. Exactly.
Kailangan kong bumili ng ng lens para kapag maaraw, hindi siya masilaw. Ang daming accessories nitong DJI Action. Kaso kasi mahal. Kung bibilhin ko lahat, baka umabot ng 1,000 euro. So, we are here guys. Let's go inside. Guys, nandito na kami sa loob. Kaso sarado pa. Magbubukas lang sila ng 10 AM. Aakyat muna kami sa taas kasi nga gusto ni husband magkape. Dito kami pupunta. I found this one for the plants.
Oh, nice one. Really nice
So
one.
we need
Super.
this is the size na.
So, but we have also the bigger one. Come.
Maybe we need to get this, no? So it's
No, we need small ones also. Let's break. Let's
1, 2,
maybe three of these,
3.
and then maybe 4 or 5
Oh no,
of them.
it's because the two pot is already have cover. You want to buy?
Yeah, just in case, because we don't. Give me 2 more.
Mura lang naman siya, 56 cents. You don't have what? No, I don't need it. Watch out the camera, ha?
Yes. Because we get another 5 more. Because I like plants. Yes. And maybe this one more. So let's walk. So I'm not a blogger. She's the blogger.
Dito sa action na to guys, ang daming choices. Hindi tulad sa ibang mga sa ibang action, kunti lang yung pagpipilian. Dito ang dami. So, ito na guys yung mga pinabili namin. So, bukas na guys yung Media Markt. My love. Nakakuha na kami ng ng memory card at saka bumili din ako nitong protection para sa likod ng lens ng aking phone. Ito siya.
This is with the EI.
You want? So, ito guys yung bibili nyo. Ang mahal! 1.7.
That will be good one.
Ano siya? Samsung Galaxy Book 4. Is this the latest? So, ito guys, lahat yung bibili namin. Itong mouse. Tapos ito. Ano pala siya guys? 16 inches. Ayan, nandito pala. 16 inches. Ito yung bibili namin kasi nga ito yung tawag nito. Meron siyang 500. Anong tawag yun? 500 GB. Tapos ito naman 1,000 terabytes. Kaya mahal siya. Ito sana gusto bilhin ni husband kaso ang mahal 130. Next time na kapag marunong na siya gumamit. Na yun siya, naghahanap siya ng ng bag para sa laptop.
Look, can you help me?
16 inches.
What is 16 inches? This is 14, 15, and that one, what's that?
It's small. This one, 16.
That's it, it is, yeah?
Yeah. And also, my love, for the mouse, look. Where you can put the mouse, like this, no?
I already get it.
Ready. So. You can see yourself. Go. So, dito kami sa loob guys ng Albert Hill. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Extra large. Mag-grocery kami. Ayan. Dry apple?
Yeah, you can dry up.
It's a dry apple.
They are not bad, they're nice.
No, I don't want it.
When I was little, we was cutting apple.
Sushi, babe. Oh, it's fresh. They have so many sushi. I don't like with salmon like this. I want something maybe like this. Oh, it's 10 euro. Oh, it's 11
Good.
euro.
Huh?
11 euro.
Yeah, it's normal. That's how they cost.
Want?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Yung swabe na
Oh, okay, banana.
dumplings. Chicken,
With
gyoza.
avocado.
Oh, yeah. This talong. Only one.
And you're going to sell it. Back in it.
Oh, they have banana. Look. Meron din silang kamoting kahoy.
What's that?
It's a kasaba. That one is banana.
That's what your dad's selling.
No, it's not like that.
Okay, what is cassava then?
Kasaba, it's like a type of sweet potato. Okay, so ang daming iba't ibang klase ng cheese. You don't need cheese, babe, right?
But you can get cheese like this.
Which one? Which one? You will eat?
Yeah.
Which one? Okay, get it. It's Belgium.
So it's expensive. But euro.
Here. Kukuha siya ng kanyang sausage. Oh, chorizo.
This is not really that.
Chorizo Pamplona.
Very.
So guys, merong andon pulubi na nakaupo. Tapos tinanong ni husband, "Are you okay?" Tapos sabi ng lalaki, "Yes, I'm okay." And then tapos nag-ask din siya, sabi niya, "Do you have money?" Sabay hingin pera. So guys, nandito kami sa Benlo Centrum kasi ngayon papaayos namin yung isa kong phone, yung S21 Ultra. So yeah, unbox na namin yung binili na.
Mini.
So guys, let's unbox itong laptop na nabili
This
namin.
one I will do it, okay? It's so easy. Look at that. Magic.
So ito guys, so how many inches? 16 na? 16 inches na laptop. Samsung. Sana all. Paldo kami yung husband. Sumakses.
With the service.
Oh, it's wet. Wala, may it's wet. So, yung total na nabayaran natin dito is umabot siya ng...
No, we need the cut.
Okay. Get an... No, you need only to
No,
remove this.
cut, baby.
Okay, cut daw. Excited na ako. Tapos alam niyo ba guys, nakabili din siya ng ng bagong phone niya. So meron na siyang bagong phone. Ano to? S22 Ultra. Pero hindi siya yung brand new, siya, second hand. Nabili namin siya ng 400 euro. O, diba? Meron na siyang bagong phone at saka meron pa kaming bagong brand new na na
Wow.
laptop. Look at that! It's big.
Galaxy Book.
Okay, babe. Open it.
Galaxy
It's like
Book
thin, no?
4. Book
Yeah.
4 Edge.
Edge. Yes.
Yeah, it's thin. Yes. Papa.
Meron pa yung decoration.
Charger.
But you don't have
Oh,
cable.
we have charger. This how
Ah,
many
this is
watts?
super fast charger.
How many watts? Can you read this in little ones?
50 to 60.
Oh, like this. Ta-da.
Ang nipis niya.
Look at that, really thin.
Meron na siyang cable.
So it's actually charging like this.
Yeah.
Before I remember it's big cables and actually also the
Okay, open it. Ano yung naman ito? Yung pagbili ko ng S25 Ultra, walang kasamang ganito. Bumili ako separate. Pero ito meron.
so
Nice one. Ito oh.
so. That's the laptop.
Yes. It's very big, no?
Very nice, very thin.
Yeah.
Really. And
Fragile.
so it's opening with one finger.
Look at that. Turn it on. No, it's not. I don't know.
Yes.
Ah, yes, it's on. Turn on.
This one. So that's the button.
Samsung secured by Knox. Actually, guys, it's big.
Yes.
Welcome.
To our channel.
Wow. Ganda. Oh. Okay, start using. I also don't know, no?
So we need to learn. I know before. Effective.
Pares kami walang alam.
Where is the mouse?
Ah, yeah, the mouse. It was there. Oh, my love, you did not, because you put it on the floor. Did you take it?
What floor?
Where's this one? On the ground. At the back. You did not put in the bag. Or if you put it, then it should be there. Okay. Ang laki niya, guys, oh. Parang nakatakot naman itong, ang gaan niya lang, tapos manipis. Look at that. Parang nakakatakot siya. Ang mahal kasi. Magkano? 1.7? 1.7? How much? In Philippine peso. 1.7. 2 Philippine peso. Ito oh. Umabot siya ng 117,500. Kaya ito na yung binili kong SD card. Ano siya? 256 gigabytes. Para dito sa camera ko. Tapos ito naman is, see? Para siya dito sa phone ko. Para protection, para hindi siya mag-crack.